Good day everyone. So today we will be dealing about multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. So for example, number 1, so we have here a monomial factors, no? So to deal with this, we are going to look for common factors. So ang atong buhaton is ato ang bungkagon ni siya. 3, wala na may factor si 3, so still 3. Dayon x squared, meaning we have 2x. Sunod, y cubed means 3y. Then z to the power of 4 means 4z. And for the second expression means 5z6. 5 is a prime, so still 5. Dayon 6 ka z times and 6xy. 6 means 2 times 3 and then x times y. The next thing that we will do is we are going to apply cross multiplication. So we are going to cancel out some terms. Okay, we are cross multiplication, we are going to work this one and this one. So we are going to cancel 3. We have x, cancel x and x here, and then 1 y and y. Next, we have for z, cancel. Next, ang mabili na lang kay ani nga expression kay x times y. And then for the denominator, 1 na lang na siya. Sunod sa second expression, ang mabili na lang diri sa numerator kay 5 times z. For the denominator, 2 times 2 only. Next is let us multiply numerator to numerator. So this will become 5x y squared z squared over 2. So we have here example number 2. Our operation is division. So the first step that we will do is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. So ato aning is we will get the reciprocal of this one. So this will becomes perting hiwi ah. I-change na to og reciprocal. So, ato na alis na ang division og multiplication. Okay, ato anang na kuha ang reciprocal niya. Ang sunod na to buhaton kay ato ang i-factor ning mga ning sila tanan. Kinahanglan sila i-factor. Okay, so unahon sa nato ni x squared minus 8x plus 7. So sa may factors na to ani nilang ani nga trinomial. So as you can see, x squared is a perfect square, so therefore we can get its square root. Square root of x squared, that is x. So tagsaan nato ni siya x and x. 7 is not a perfect square, so therefore we are going to look for some factors that will possibly result to negative 8, and in this case we have 7 and 1. Next is asa naman po nato ibutang si positive or si negative. In this case, negative man ni siya, negative. And then this one is positive. So therefore, negative times negative, positive. And this one, if you're going to add negative and negative equals negative. So therefore, negative na sila puros di ay. Negative 7x and then negative x, that is negative 8x. So sakto. And then negative 7 times negative 1 equals positive 7. Next, x squared minus 4. So this is the sum and difference of two squares. So square root of x squared, basta gali sum and difference of two squares. Makuha nato ang square root sa first term o kaning second o kaning last term niya. So square root of x squared, x no, x and x. Dahil square root sa 4, 2 and 2, and then plus minus. Kay sum and difference of two squares man ni siya. Sunod, diri na po to sa second expression. Okay, ma-recall gyud ang inyong previous topic, no? So kinahanglan gyud nga hinumduman ninyo ang inyong mga previous topic, dili lang kalimtan. Okay, square root of x squared, x. Next, 8 is not a perfect square, so therefore mangita ta og factors ni 8 na kung i-add or subtract mo resulta og positive 2. So unsa may mga factors sa 8? We have 4 and 2, no? 4 and 2. So pagkahuman, diri na pud ta magtigi sa ilang sign. Asa man ibutang si positive, asa man ibutang si negative. So since positive 2 man ni siya, no, positive, buot pasabot kani si positive at adto nato ni siya ibutang sa mas dako nilang duha. So in this case, si 4 maoy dako, maoy butangan sa positive sign. and then minus ni siya. So, ato ang i-check ha. Positive 4x unya negative 2x positive equals positive 2x. Sakto. Sunod, positive 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Okay, sakto. Sakto ang ato ang factors. Perfect. Sunod, diri na punta sa denominator. Square root of x squared, x. Dayon 2. 2 is not a perfect square, so therefore we are going to look for some factors that will result to positive 1. So 2 and 1 raman dyan ay factors, no? Dayon kinsa may i-negative, kinsa may i-positive. So since plus manina diri no, kaning plus adto na to naibutang sa kung kinsay mas dako nilang duha. So diri sa 2 na to ibutang si positive sign and then negative sign diri. To check if correct, positive 2x o plus kani negative x equals positive x. Sakto. Dayon, positive 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. Sakto. So, perfect atong factors. Pagkahuman, di na masigo diri sa likod. Okay, pagkahuman, si sunod buhaton. Ang sunod atong buhaton kay mag-cancel ta sa mga factors. Mag-cancel out ta sa mga factors by cross multiplication. So in this case, cross multiplication ha, cross multiplication. So in this case, naami ba cancel? Naa. X minus 1 o x minus 1. Dahil sa pikas, x minus 2 o x minus 2. So therefore, ang mabili na lang sa first expression kay x minus 7 over x plus 2. Dahil sa second expression, ang mabili na lang kay x plus 4 over x plus 2. Okay, sunod buhaton na to kay we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, in short, unsa may resulta sa duha ka binomial o i-multiply, di ba trinomial ang makuha? Sige. X minus 7 times x plus 4 over x plus 2. Pwede naman ng x plus 2 square, di ba? X plus 2, since they are identical, atuan na lang express as a square of binomial. Sunod, sa gali gamiton nga method ug ma-multiply ta og duha ka binomial. Di ba FOIL method? Hiwi man eh. So we are going to use FOIL method. So x times x squared. Sunod, FOIL method. Outer. So may outer, x times 4 positive 4x, dayon inner terms negative 7 times x equals negative 7x. Dayon last terms L, negative 4 times last terms negative 7 times positive 4 equals negative 28. Dayon sa denominator, x times x squared, dayon x times 2, 2x times 2, 4x plus 4x, nya 2 times 2, positive 4. Pagkahuman i-combine ning mga like terms, kari sila duha. Si inner, o si outer o si inner terms. So, kung i-combine na sila duha, mahimo na x squared minus 3x minus 28 over x squared plus 4x plus 4. And this is the final answer.